Hey guys, it's Drew Mead from MarineMax on Lake Lanier. I'm going to show you guys this 2025 Sylvan A22. This thing is a ton of fun. It's a little rocket ship on the water with 3 pontoons. Take a look at the outside and we'll have you come on board and do a walkthrough with me. All right, welcome on board the Sylvan A22. I mentioned earlier that this boat's like a little rocket ship. It's a ton of fun. It's powered with a Yamaha 150 horsepower, 4-stroke outboard engine. Great maintenance, ease of operation. The outboard doesn't need to be winterized. It's quiet, powerful, good on fuel economy. It's a perfect pairing for this size boat. So the boat can still be filled up with people and cruising along, towing a tuber with no issues. Sylvan's left you a ton of space back here on this transom. They've got a really nice angled ladder, which is more of a staircase style ladder than the telescoping style ladder. So ease for getting in and out of the water is great. This boat is designed and equipped with the 4-couch style layout. So back here in the back, you do have these equal couches. You can use them like rear-facing loungers if you want to, or really nice place to sit around, have a conversation if you guys are anchored out in the cove. Underneath each one of these seats is going to be rotomold plastic lined storage compartments. So throw your towels in there. They're not going to get wet from people walking through the boat. And you've got these nice movable cup holders. So take the cup holders wherever you want them, and you'll always have a spot to set your drink down. Along with the 4 couches, you do have 2 captain's chairs. So these high back captain's chairs make it comfortable when you're cruising down the lake. They have equipped a nice station here for the passenger with a built-in cup holder and a little mesh net cubby down at the bottom for storing your phone, whatever. The A22 also has the electric bimini top. So with the push of a button, let's say you have limited space at your dock or you're going to park this thing in a garage, you can easily lower this bimini top, and that electric bimini feature is just super nice. Here at the helm, the boat's equipped with a Wet Sounds Bluetooth capable stereo system that has 4 6.5-inch Wet Sounds speakers throughout the cockpit of the boat. You have your Yamaha helm control off to the right with trim, electric trim right at your fingertips. You do have a Hummingbird chart plotter. That's going to also double as your depth finder and sonar. And then you've got your gauges on either side. So you pick up your speedo, your tack, your voltmeter. Everything's really nice and centrally located right here at the helm. The boat is also equipped with blue courtesy lights throughout the interior. It's probably hard to see in this daytime video, but there are blue lights in the corners of these couches. So up in the front and back in the back at night, the boat looks really cool. You guys have seen the rotomold plastic lined containers just like we saw in the back. Those are going to be the same up here in the bow. You have your see-through bow door here, which makes docking much easier. So when you're at the helm, you can actually have a clear path to see through as opposed to a traditional solid door. So all of these things make this boat a ton of fun and very easy to operate. Man, I really enjoy a boat of this size. You're not suffering. A lot of times you go down to a boat this size, they don't do well with a lot of people, but in this case, Sylvan has matched the size and horsepower with the 3 pontoons. It comes out to be a really cool package. So I encourage you to come check it out here at Bald Ridge Marina. My name is Drew Mead. I'll be looking forward to showing it to you.